It's a sunny morning, everyone. So today we're gonna have a house tour in our humble abode. So this is the front porch. So this is our garden. Hi everyone. Sorry hindi ko papakita yung mukha for now. This is the gate. And that is the street parking. So that is our spot. So basura day to day kaya nakalabas yung bin namin. Medyo may breakout yung skin ko today. So, pangit. Kaya, let's go. So, that's our front porch. So, number 56. So, this is our doorbell. And, syempre, black. Let's go outside. So, bali may dalawang pintuan. So, this is the first one. So, pag nilalak, syempre double lock lang yan. And we also got the chain. So, a little backstory. I moved here last January. Dahil kinuha yung family ko. So, extra light. Now, they're here. They're both in school. So, light yan pag emergency. They're both in school and at work. And this is my electricity. So, prepayment siya na key. As you see there. Zoom natin. Yan. So, yung electric namin. Mas tipid kasi pag ganyan. So, this is the first door. And this is the second door. So, ways to love. Listen without interrupting. Speak without accusing. Give without sparing. Answer without arguing. Share without pretending. Enjoy without complaint. Trust without wavering. Forgive without punishing. Promise without forgetting. Honor without fail. So, pagpasok makita mo yan. Ways to love. Let's give love. So, let's go inside. So, makikita nyo, naglagay ako ng parang pandito sa front porch. Para pag may bisita, yung mga paa nyo, lagay nyo na dyan, tapos iwan ng tsinelas, ganun. So, let's go in. So, this is the hallway. Yep. This is our hallway. Papunta sa hagdan. Diretso sa hagdan. And we got our Moroccan light here. Yan. O, diba? With the effect. Lovely. Yan. So, the house is painted white. Para if ever na gusto namin i-refurbish, we can just repaint it. So, I put a... Para sa mga coat hanger. So, I put it there. Yan. And of course, a welcome mat. So, this is the hallway. So, the first door to my right is the living room. So, tara. Lahat dito may pintuan because of fire safety na din. So, this is our living room. So, ito, TV, gift by mommy. Yung mom ko, binigay niya yung TV. 65 inches siya. Unfortunately, walang TV stand na kasya. Pinamigay pa nga namin yung TV stand. Kasi, sobrang liit. Hindi kasya. Sumakto naman dyan. So, wherever I need a TV stand, at least 60 inches. This is the Wi-Fi. So, there's a treadmill. Treadmill ng asawa ko. Sa daddy yan. So, siya naman yung conscious sa health. So, that's why he got this one. And this is Cassidy's corner. So, Cassidy's corner, na dyan yung mga toys niya, sa toy box niya, pillows niya. So, you'll know it's hers. That's my clock. Then, of course, ilagay ko pa yan on my own. And the sofa. And I have miniature plants here as well. And then, just some shoes in there. So, hindi ko pa siya masyadong sa blanket na rin. Hindi ko pa siya masyadong naayos, guys. Because we don't have enough space anyway. But, yeah. That's the living room. To start with. Okay, so we're gonna go to my kitchen. So, lahat na divide literally by doors. So, let's go. So, this is my dining room. So, yan. Chandelier. Of course, nilagay ko na naman. Kamaatan as usual. So, this is my dining room. So basically, this is a pair, my dining set. And the cupboard. So mga anik-anik, mga dining ware. Yan, binigay sa akin. All donated. And of course, some bowls. Mga souvenirs. And just some stuff, kitchen stuff. Lahat ng nandun, kitchen stuff as well. So this is my Filipiniana dining set. I got as well. So, terno sila. So pretty, no? And of course, my fridge, a small fridge to start with, some snacks. Lovely curtain. So neutral colors lang tayo, white. Mga fridge mug ang pinuntahan ko. No need to go through the fridge. And this is my kitchen. So this is where all the cooking happens. Natuto na rin magluto. So all new, which is good. Electric stove. Of course, air fryer by my best friend. Thank you. And, you know, the usual stuff. Rose gold ang gusto kong team ng kitchen ko. But, you know, di naman lahat makakuha natin ng rose gold. But at least I got my trash by bin. Rose gold. And itong mga to. Of course, Pepsi. And the laundry. Just some stuff really over there. And calendar ni Daddy. And so that's the kitchen. So this is the storeroom sa likod. So all the cleaning stuff are there. Yung booster seat ni Cassidy, some luggages, and some stuff. So everything is in there. I'll show you our backyard. It's not maluwang. It's just right for us. So this is it. Diyan kami nagsasampay. Yan. Okay ba? So, dito kami nagsasampay. It's a good weather. Ito yung likod namin. Pwede kang mag-shortcut dyan. And just some bins over there. So, yeah, that's the backyard. Okay, let's go upstairs and see what we got. So, yung hagdan lang namin ang carpeted. The rest are all vinyl or laminated. So let's start. Okay, so here is the bathroom. So this is our bathroom. Get naked. So good thing everything is new, at least. But you know it. I got my mini plant here called Spiky. Cassidy named it Spiky. May bulaklak rin siya. Akala nila hindi totoo. So, this is my remote for the gas. So, connected siya. Nakaset siya ng automatic para hindi naman masyadong malamig today. So, sinet ko lang siya. Of course, some stuff there. Painting given by a friend. Get naked. And dito yung boiler ko. So, that's the boiler. So, yung control niya yung kanina yung tinuro ko. And just some laundry there. So, that's the bathroom. I love it. Vinyl. So, this is the hallway. And you got the light here. Yeah. So, may attic naman daw dun. I don't know what's inside. I don't want to know though. So, this is Cassidy's room. Got some stickers in it. Nilagay namin. Unicorn. Favorite niyan. She got badge from school. So, kinokolekta namin. We put it in the door as a remembrance. And this is her room. So, ayan. Kanyang room. So, this is her bed. All the pictures. Some dream catcher. So, of course, unicorn. Some cupboards. Tapos itong bed niya, cabin bed siya. She can pull this one for her desk. So, yeah. Then, some pink cabinets. Of course, unicorn, new stuff. I designed, of course. And some school activities. This is Sugar Queen, her favorite. Yan, mga drawings yan. Some cabinets. So this is where her shoes is. To keep it clean and tidy, of course. And some rainbow mat there. So magaling siya mag-drawing. Galing. Like that. So creative. So this is the curtain and your room. As usual, unicorn pa din. So that's the view from her room. Butterfly chandelier. Cassie's room. So we're going to our main bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom. So this is my cabinet, guys. Mga gamit ko andyan, mga anik-anik. This is the computer table. So nandun yung laptop. And this is our bed. A mini rug. And that is daddy's cabinet. Tapos may spare na mattress. Para if ever di kami kasya, tumabi si baby eh. Tabi-tabi na kami dyan. Kaso hindi kami kasya, so lagay na lang sa baba. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for joining me in my house tour. So I'm with my Cassidy in her room.
And also, like, look at the funny faces.
Yeah, so she is searching Harry Potter since they come here in UK. Eh, nag-interesado na siya sa Harry Potter. Thank you guys for joining us for our first house here in UK. So hopefully in the future, we're gonna have more house tour. Wag naman sanang hirap maglipad. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See ya! Bye!
And we can next to